Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your Snapchat snaps to your photos or gallery. So sometimes you might take a really good snap and then you really want to save it, so I'll show you how to do that. First, click your profile picture in the top left corner, then click the settings icon in the top right corner of your profile. Now scroll down a little bit. Not this far, scroll back up. Right here, click Memories. It should be right below Notifications. Once you click on that, click Save button, which is in the Save Destination option. Now once you click that, change it to Memories and Camera Roll, or just Camera Roll. It should automatically be on Memories, but you can change it to Camera Roll or Memories and Camera Roll. And I'll show you that it works right here. I'll take a random snap. Click Save. And go over to my photos. As you can see, it's right here. So yeah, if this video is helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And that's all I have for you guys today. So also leave any questions you have in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them.